The exercise problem discussed in this video is an extension of the example 4.5. The requirements in this problem are VDD equals 5 volt, drain current 0.32 milliampere, source voltage is given as 1.6 volt, the threshold voltage of the transistor is 1 volt, the drain voltage is 3.4 volt, K dash into W bell equals 1 milliampere per volt square. The current flowing through Rg1 and Rg2 is 1 microampere, and we must assume the MOSFET similar to the one discussed in example 4.5. Let us redraw the circuit of example 4.5. Next, we'll determine the value of overdrive voltage using the drain current equation. The drain current equation in example 4.5, as we discussed, the MOSFET operates in saturation region. Therefore, saturation drain current is given as ID equals 1 by 2 K dash into W by VOB square. From this equation, overdrive voltage equation can be obtained by taking the square root of 2ID divided by K dash into W by L. Substituting the values of ID, K dash into W by L, we found that overdrive voltage is 0.8 volt. Next, using overdrive voltage, we can estimate gate source voltage. The relationship between overdrive voltage and gate source voltage is VOV equals VGS minus VT. From this, VGS can be obtained as VOV plus VT. The overdrive voltage is 0.8 volt obtained earlier, plus threshold voltage is 1 volt. Therefore, gate source voltage is found to be 1.8 volt. Once we know gate source voltage, we can estimate the voltage at the gate with respect to ground. VGS equals VG minus VS. Therefore, VG equals VGS plus VS. VGS is 1.8 volt. VS is 1.6 volt. This gives us VG as 3.4 volt. Now, we can determine Rg2 by using this equation. Rg2 is equal to Vg by I. Vg is 3.4 volt. I is 1 microampere. The current flowing through Rg1 and Rg2 is 1 microampere. Therefore, Rg2 is 3.4 mega ohm. Knowing the value of Rg2, now we can determine the value of Rg1 using this portion of the circuit. Applying KVL for the loop shown here to obtain the value of Rg1, minus VDD plus I times Rg1 plus Vg equals to 0. On rearrangement, we obtain Rg1 equation as VDD minus Vg divided by I. Substituting the values of VDD, Vg and I gives Rg1 as 1.6 mega ohm. Next, let us find the value of source resistance Rs. Again, rewriting the portion of the circuitry, the Rs equation can be obtained as Rs equals Vs minus 0 divided by Id, because other terminal is connected to the ground, therefore it is 0. Simplification, Rs gives us Vs by Id. Substituting the value of Vs and Id gives Rs as 5 kilo ohm. Next, to find the value of Rd, we will redraw the portion of the circuit. Now, applying KVL for the loop shown here, minus VDD plus ID times Rd plus Vd equals to 0. On rearranging this equation, the equation for Rd can be derived as VDD minus Vd divided by Id. Substituting the values of VDD, Vd and Id gives Rd as 5 kilo ohm. Substituting all the design values computed into the original circuit, the final circuit can be written as shown in this figure.